Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to assign tasks in ClickUp for team projects. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to assign tasks in ClickUp for team projects, all you can do is simply tap on ClickUp. Once you tap on ClickUp, to assign task in it, you need to open the task. After this, you need to click on the Assignees field, which is the people icon, and select team members from the drop-down, or use the multitask toolbar in the list view to assign multiple tasks at once by selecting them and choosing Assignees. For complex projects, you need to break down the main task into subtasks, assigning each subtask to a specific person with due dates to clarify the roles and deadlines. So if you're going to do this, then you will be able to assign tasks in ClickUp for each team members or each team projects, and it will make your work more easier and efficient. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.